the tutorial number 6 means nodal analysis. So determine the current by nodal analysis in 2 ohm. Okay, so what we will do, we as given in the circuit, this A node is VA voltage and B node is VB voltage. We directly apply KCL at node A. Now we will do that I assume I current is coming here, I1 is going here, I2 is going here. Okay, now this I2 is again converting into I3 and I4. So I can write at node A I is equal to I1 plus I2. Okay, what is the value of I? 20 minus VA divided by 1. I1 value is V1 by 1. I2 value is VA minus VB divided by 0.5. Okay, solve it. 0.5 I can write it 1 by 2. So I can write 20 minus VA is equal to VA plus 2VA minus 2VB. Okay, I can write 4VA minus 2VB is equal to 20. Or I can write 2VA minus VB is equal to 10. Question number 1. Now we will apply KCL at node B. KCL at node B. That means nothing but I2 is equal to I3 plus I4. Then I2 value is nothing but VA minus VB divided by 0.5. 0.5 I can write 1 by 2. Then I3 value is nothing but VB divided by 2. And I4 value is nothing but VB minus 20 divided by 1. Okay, we can take LCM. VB twice VB minus 42. Okay, then cross multiply it for VB is equal to 3VB minus 40. Okay, now we'll take it, we'll move this right side 40 and left side. So we can write 40 is equal to minus 4VA plus 7VB. Question number 2. Now from equation 1 I can write VB is equal to 2VA minus 10 in equation 2. So I can write 40 is equal to minus 4VA plus 7 2VA. We can calculate VA value minus 4VA plus 14VA minus 70. Then here 110 here. So VA value is nothing but 11 volt. And VB value is nothing but 2 into 11 minus 10. How much? 22 minus 10, 12 volt. Okay, now we know the value of 10 volt and that is 12 volt. Not 10, 11 volt. Okay, and that is 12 volt. Then we have to find the current. So I of 2 ampere, 2 ohm is nothing but I3 is nothing but VB minus 0 divided by 2. That is nothing but 12 minus 0 divided by 2, that is 6 ampere. Answer. Okay, any doubt you can comment me in the comment section.